Hi, I'm Dan Palomino with KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Well, today I am at a brand new construction home with this magnificent view in the Kūki'o development. I'm actually in the new section called KD or KD Development. And this home is priced at $9.25 million and our client is under contract on it. So we're super excited for them. We can't wait till they close on this and they move in. Just an amazing, really ultra high-end dream home. And so the message today is I'm going to actually just put a little plug in for ourselves. You know, Chris and I, we specialize in these 6 resorts along the west side of the island. We specialize in the resorts from Kohala all the way to Mauna Kea. We not only represent sellers, but we represent buyers, and we know everything there is to know about these resorts. We've studied them, we've worked them, we've got clients that have bought and sell in them. So if you're looking for this ultra high-end, ultimate dream home, I would suggest you gotta call us at the Hawaii team. You gotta call Chris and I, because we know the places, we know the subdivisions, we know what houses were built when, what ones need updating, what the square footage is, what the beds, baths are, the pricing. We've got it all down because this is where we plant our flag. This is where we do business. So again, think about that, and if we can help you, we'd love to. Like I always say at every one of these videos, if we can help you buy, sell, or invest in real estate, contact us here at the Hawaii team. Because again, you need professionals on your side. Chris and I have a combined almost 30 years experience in real estate. All we do is the ultra high-end luxury stuff. So this is why you should contact us. And again, you can always check us out. Was I right? Was this house just absolutely amazing? Aina Ola had 8 of these right here in KD. 8 in a row that they built, and this was the last one to be sold. And again, just phenomenal house. And look at the view behind me. I mean, how could you hate that view from that pool? It's just fantastic. And of course, the amenities in Kūki'o, if you know anything about that, are first class, like bar none, right? But it is expensive. I should tell you that the initiation fee to be a member at Kūki'o is $500,000 for the initiation fee. The membership runs about $70,000 a year in dues, and then the HOAs for this particular house run about $30,000 a year for HOA dues. So $500,000 membership, about $100,000 a year to maintain the house. But if you've got it, you're living in ultra luxury here in Kūki'o. And as always, if you'd like to know more about buying or selling in here, or you'd like the Hawaii team to represent you, we would love to talk with you. Call us at 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.